We're in beautiful Milton Keynes at one of the landmarks of the city, so that's really exciting to see the live demonstrations on the pitch.
So the Pathfinder has helped DFT shape its policy in a number of ways. It's addressed many of the challenges to adoption that have been faced by the industry and allowed us to adapt and change policy and work with our regulator to improve how it does its job.
So we, the CAA Innovation Team, work quite closely with Connected Places Catapult to make sure that we're enabling drone operation and BVLOS operations within the UK, and to ensure that innovators are coming to us as a first point of call to adapt to technologies.
Under the Pathfinder programme this year, we're actually taking real example of use cases with commercial industry, illustrating the art of the possible of how drones can be used to provide productivity and increasing economic growth.
There's an awful lot of work going on by an awful lot of companies all across the drone sector. What the Catapult has been really essential to helping us to achieve and to understand is really the combination of integration of all those different potential solutions into real business solutions.
I think for this year on the Pathfinder, this has given us the opportunity to explore the use cases, both with the users and with the service providers, across a number of different sectors.
The Pathfinder work is really important for the Future Flight Challenge because what it's doing is giving a very early demonstration with a number of SMEs to some of the technologies that we hope to take forward in the longer term.
The next phase of the Future Flight Challenge is the demonstration phase, where we will demonstrate real-world, large-scale operations of use cases in a representative environment, such as BVLOS drone networks regionally for medical use, as well as the integration of drones and advanced air mobility in shared airspace.
Pathfinder has developed some great use cases and some great technical solutions through the TRIG programme, and I think what we need to do now is to make sure those are communicated out to both the drone industry and industry at large.
So the key outcomes the Pathfinder's helped us achieve is being able to really capture those use cases for the drone sector and how they address different sectors, so we can develop bespoke policy for different users such as the fire and rescue service, agriculture and remote sensing.
Today was really enjoyable. It was so fantastic to be out and about at a physical event, and we got to hear from 5 of our innovators who participated in our TRIG drones competition and managed to drum up lots of interest in their future journeys. They made lots of connections. It's a really great event to be involved in today and really enjoyed it.